Hello, how are you doing? So, as promised, I'm going to show you how I make carrot juice. So, let's do this. You will need honey, then that's ginger. You'll also need carrots. Effects of not being used for so long is available on the tips. Can you see that? Then we have the oranges, and then there's a lemon too. Let the games begin. So let's start peeling the carrots first. And now it's time to peel the ginger. Effects of peeling in the sink. And now let's get to washing the peeled carrots and the ginger. Now it's time to chop the carrots into small chunks that can fit into the blender and be blended. One health benefit of carrot is that it's an antioxidant that helps reduce the risk of getting cancer. And now let's chop the ginger into small pieces. Now the carrots and the ginger are ready to be blended because they are already chopped. Yay, and here is the outcome. I got the blender ready to rock and roll. Socket check. It's time to pour all that goodness into the blender. Ginger is well known to help fight flu. In order to be able to blend well, you're going to need to put in water for the blending to go on well. Of course, water has many benefits, including helping improve the mood and the memory too. Let the blending begin. Now let's get ready to sieve that bad boy. Goodness overflowing. The more the juice, the merrier, so let's add more water in. Using the spoon to squeeze out more juice. Carrot juice is ready and sieved. Time to now wash the oranges. Taking oranges helps you have a good skin, which helps you stay forever young. Oranges also help in maintaining a strong immune system. Making sure these oranges stayed still was quite a sport. Thank God I'm done. The lemon squeezer was clean, just rinsing it off. Time to squeeze off that juice. Just a few more oranges to go. The remains of the orange, I'm going to be eating it later. This is very good roughage. But first, let me throw out the remains I can't eat. The orange and lemon juice looking so yummy. So I will be putting the orange juice into the carrot juice, then mix it up together. There we go. Then let's put that honey to have that tasty taste in the juice. We're about to unlock some bomb goodness right here. Start to have that taste with a oomph. So that's it for today. See you soon on another video. Bye bye.